What's going on, guys? Kellen here with Dreamedia. We're here at Axpona 2024, just outside of Chicago. This is a really cool product. Excited to show this off. This is going to be a new product line that we're going to be covering and selling on our site, Ruark. We have Rich with us with Ruark. It's going to talk about the R410 integrated speaker here. So I'll let him step in and give us a little more insight on the overall product, but this model in particular.
Yeah, sure. So we're renowned for all-in-one systems. You know, this is what we've done for the last coming up to 20 years, and we know how to do it well. And one of the biggest challenges is trying to get everything into one box, and it still sound good. So we have to use a combination of good materials, good components, good technology to enable us to give us wider sound stage than 50 centimeters that you see here. What we want to do is people to come into a room and actually hear more than just this one box. We want to hear that nice wide sound stage that you can from a pair of stereo speakers. Obviously, you're limited to what you can do, but the technology we use enables us to do it to a level which is surprises a lot of people. And that's, I think, one of the things when somebody comes in for a demo of our products, they're surprised by, is all that sound coming from that one box?
Well, that's what I thought whenever I heard that desk there beside us. I don't know what model that was.
That's the R410, yeah.
So, yeah, I was blown away as well, and I'm sure these sound great, so I'll be looking forward to getting a demo. But that was my first initial reaction when I heard it was, okay, that's a pretty spectacular sounding speaker. So yeah, I'd like to hear this.
So it's like the technology we use in here is it's a very complex system. It's a Linux-based computer basically, and in terms of what we got packed in here, we've got two bass mid units, two tweeters as well. Gives it that bit of detail, but we're all about that nice, rich, warm sounds, trying to recreate that live performance. That's what we do. So we spend hours and hours and hours listening to every one of our products, from the R1 right up to the R410 that we were talking about a few minutes ago. And the same goes into this product here. The same number of hours goes into every product. During the development stages, there's a lot of time spent setting levels, setting EQ. But what makes it different is the human ear. You have to listen to it. You have to like what you hear. You can get it to a level. That's the difference between a good and a great product, is those final tweaks, and that's what we spend a long time. And there's 40 years of making hi-fi speakers. The same engineers designed these products that were making our passive speakers 30 years ago, 35 years ago. So in here, this is a modern day all-in-one music system. What we've got in here, we've got Google Cast, Chromecast, we've got AirPlay, we've got HDMI ARCs. If you want to connect your TV to it, you can do that and use it like a soundbar, compact soundbar. You've got internet radios in here, so you can access any internet radio station from anywhere in the world. So it might be, you might want to listen to the BBC in the UK. You can do that right here in Chicago. And that's the beauty of it. In terms of radio, it opens the world up to you, literally.
Right.
You can search by genre, you can search by country. So that's one thing. You've also got Tidal Connect, you've got Spotify Connect, and then with Cast and AirPlay, you can pretty much stream.
Covers all bases at that point.
Yeah, exactly. If you've got an ads drive with music packed on there, you can stream from that as well, using the music player source. It's high res, it's 24-bit 192. It goes beyond that as well, but depending on the source and how you're feeding that as well. So if it's through the optical, you've got round the back, as I said, you've got the phono input, so plug a turntable straight into it. No preamp required; it's built in.
Nice.
You got analog inputs as well, HDMI, USB playback, USB-C playback. So yeah, there's a lot goes into this product. And it's also designed like, if you can imagine, there's two speaker chambers in here. So it's not one box. It's divided up into chambers, and the chambers are tuned the way you would tune a pair of loudspeakers. So yeah, there's a lot goes into this, both in development. I was saying earlier, the length of time it takes to develop a product from a blank piece of paper would be 18 months, maybe 2 years in some cases. But that's not the end of it, and it's not the start of it. It goes way beyond that. You know, we've been designing hi-fi speakers for 40 years. There's 40 years of work goes into every product that we do today. You know, and that's what makes us different. You know, we are audio engineers, we're audio enthusiasts. We've got a long heritage in making great hi-fi speakers, and all that knowledge goes into every product that we do. We're not buying a product from a factory and sticking our badge in it. We are starting from scratch and designing absolutely everything in this product.
No,
that's what makes us different.
Yeah, no, can't wait to hear it fired up. And I know you probably covered this in other videos, but it looks like this pops out, or is
Sure.
this built in, or is there a separate module?
This is called the rotodial. It's kind of our trademark. You
Yep.
know, this is the user interface, if you like. This is how you control the unit. The very first, after we finished making passive speakers in early 2005, 2006, and we started this journey, the very first product we designed had the circular control on the top, the rotodial. It's evolved a lot over the years. This is the latest one. So we've got a fixed unit here, but we mirror that with a remote as well. It's details like the machined aluminium parts around it, the weight of it. It's got a rechargeable battery in there as well with the USB.
Sweet.
So you can just plug it into USB in the back and recharge it as well. I mean, it's nice to touch and feel as well.
Yeah. No, it's very, feels robust. Put a little air tag on there. I would.
Yeah.
No, this is really cool. I appreciate you walking us through the different models here, and of course the R410. Looks spectacular. I know if you guys are wanting to learn more information, we're going to have a lot more specs and pricing on our website. I think we don't have the pricing right here in front of us. This is kind of a new product for everyone here at the show.
That's right.
So we're super excited. Rich,
I mean, this is an exclusive. These products have never been seen in the US before.
Yeah.
So this really is an exclusive. One thing, I should have pointed out before, it is available in another finish. It's available in the soft grey finish as well, the same as the R810.
Which is actually right there.
It's right behind me, yeah.
Yeah, let's show it off.
So a little bit more contemporary or Scandi feel to it. I think it's more like Scandinavian design almost. This is probably a little bit more classic. But, the two finishes will fit into any household.
Yeah. No, it looks great.
And you got the high resolution
Yeah, and I
display
like
as well.
the contrast on the other finish. And what was the actual color? Did you say?
This is soft grey.
Soft gray. Okay.
Yeah, so it's
nice.
still a wooden cabinet, sprayed.
Oh wow. Okay.
And then if you've got the walnut grille, which is actually, I don't know if you can see the detail on it. That you've got a slight curvature there, a convex curve, and then you've got the nice machined aluminium trim as well, just to give it that nice detail with a high-res color display on there. The color display will show all the album artwork on Tidal, all Wi-Fi or internet sources like internet radio. You'll have the radio logo if it's on Spotify or Tidal Connect. It will bring up the album artwork as well. So nice feature. But you can change that as well. You could just have the clock come up. So yeah, it gives you options.
Yeah. No, this looks great. I appreciate it, Rich. Yeah, if you guys would like to learn more information, we're going to have a lot of this stuff on our website, the models, the specs, the pricing, or if you would like to build out a package and include this in some of your, I'd say, more lifestyle choices throughout the home. Maybe this goes in a bedroom, maybe this goes into, a kitchen or library, home office, something like that. We can definitely work this in with the rest of the package. But appreciate your time, Rich. Again, this is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Rich with Ruark.
Thank you.
We're excited to show this off here at Axpona 2024 outside of Chicago. We'll catch you in the next video.